Today we will look about BODMAS rule in math. How to use this rule with an example. Today we have an example that 2 plus 2 multiplied by 2 divided by 2 की power 2 plus 2 brackets 2 plus 2 is equal to. What is the answer of this question? We solve by using this rule, BODMAS rule. In BODMAS rule we will solve first about brackets, then orders, brackets, first brackets, then orders, O for orders. Order means square powers. Then we solve division. Then we look about multiplication. Then we look about addition. And then lastly we will look about subtraction. Here we will follow this rule to solve this question. To solve this question we follow BODMAS rule. In the question above we will see that which rule which present. First is the 2 plus 2 in brackets. So first we solve 2 plus 2 multiplied by 2 divided by 2 की power 2 plus 2 bracket 2 plus 2 is equal to 4. So here we will step 1 we will solve about bracket. Our brackets are over. Then we will divide, multiply. Brackets are not still over because here we have a 4 in our brackets. 2 plus 2 multiplied by 2 divided by 2 की power 2. We will multiply 4 into 2 because we will follow first bracket. When brackets are over, then we will proceed to next step. 4 multiplied by 2 is equal to 8. This is the final bracket that we solve. Now we will look in the next orders. So we look in orders that our question contains orders. Yes, we have a 2 की power 2. That is the order. First we follow this then. 2 plus 2 multiplied by 2 divided by 2 की power 2 is equal to 4 plus 8 is equal to question mark. Our orders are over. Now we will look about division sign. So here we will find about division sign. So we will solve division first. 2 plus 2 multiplied by 2. Here we will 2y 4 divided by 2 is equal to 2. That is our answer. Plus 8 is equal to question mark. So here we will division is over. Now we will math, multiplication, addition and subtraction. First we will look about the sign of multiplication. So here we will find that the multiplication sign is there. So we will solve this. 2 plus 2. No. 2 multiplied by 2 is equal to 4. Here is 4 plus 8 is equal to question mark. Now our multiplication sign is over. Now we have only one sign, that is addition. So subtraction is now present here. If subtraction is present, then we will lastly we will look at the subtraction. Now addition. 2 plus 2, 2 plus 4 is equal to 6 plus 8. 6 plus 8 is equal to 14. So here is the answer of our question 14. Here is our answer. If subtraction is there, 14 minus 2 is there, then we will answer is 12. Lastly, we will answer is 12 if subtraction is there in the question. So everywhere when you see a question that has multiple signs of multiplication, division, brackets, order, addition, so do not confuse about that. Follow this rule, BODMAS rule, and you will follow this rule to solve the question. So if you are a school student, university student, college student, every part of student, competitive exam student, you are preparing for a competitive exam, you will follow this rule, BODMAS rule, to solve the question. Here is the example I saw in your front. So to see more kind of these videos, subscribe to this channel about biology, math, chemistry and different education in the USA. To follow this education material, follow this channel, subscribe this and follow our videos. Thank you so much.